everybody. I am going to be fidget trading, but since I'm broke, I'm only going to try to get one thing, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah. Someone else is probably going to be trading Poppet. Legendary. Me. Okay, what's your offer? I don't have anything, but maybe I do have some fun toys. But some toys and a marker. Even though it's really cheap, and I have 1,000 Poppets, so I'll accept. Okay, here. Guys, I got a Poppet. Bye. What's her problem? She came here before and she didn't want me to film her face. Oh, so annoying. Everybody doesn't want to be filmed. But this is the quiet side. What are races? Wait, hold on, guys. So here it is. You can't hear anything. You can barely hear anything. But this is a nice side. I love it. Also, it looks pretty cool. Okay. Oh, that's not what it sounds like. Guys, that sounds so nice. I'm gonna try to trade this Poppet. I really like those. But I'm gonna skip. Where's the Poppet? Okay. So I'm just gonna go with this. Can they see my face? No, they can't, ma'am. So I was wondering if I can maybe trade for Poppet. Okay, fine.
Yeah, so line 9 will be your total income.
So I trade this, like this back.
Gross pay, that's you had multiple W-2s, whatever. That's your total income before taxes, before your deductions and stuff. And it looks like
So these are the three. Don't touch them. Oh, well, we're gonna trade them again. So, get scammed. Guys, I got all my toys. I'm so happy. Even though these aren't really much to do, you can still like fidget around with them, kind of, and play. I don't know. Also, a marker. I don't know what you can. The only thing I really find satisfying about a marker is the cap going on and off. So these, I think I rate this a 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Okay. And because these are still fun. And a marker, 9 out of 10. Poppet, 10 out of 10. So I'm going to try to find some more toys I can trade for. So yeah. Guys, I found some legendary Legos. So yeah.
on your 1040
I'm
file taxes.
excited. I'm probably going to scam somebody.
Yeah, you should have a 1040. That's your tax return.
Okay. So trading legendary Legos. There's a lot of legendary Legos. A puppet and a marker. So guys, I'm just gonna let you guys focus on that. Hold on. Okay, I authored this paint. What do you do with it? You squeeze it. Duh. You squeeze it. Okay. Since yours are homemade, this. But the Legos aren't homemade. And the marker, no thing is homemade. Well, I treat these, and you have to give it to me. I don't know if I really want to do that. Haha, get scammed. I farted. So guys, I'm just building a little something with my Legos. You mean my Legos? Oh my god, they're not your Legos. The paint is yours. This is not your Legos. Well, bye Wolfpack. Ow, ow, ow. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.